There are different kinds of rice dishes at home. Most times we tend to ask some of the family members, what kind of rice dish should we make today? And we get different opinions before we proceed to make the meal. This enables us to have a safe landing and making everyone happy at the end of the day. Today, we are making coconut rice. Please join me as we make this delicious meal. Hello everyone, welcome to Lozelle Diaries. In the picture you are seeing the coconut. This picture shows you an extract of the coconut milk. We have the rice, we have peas, we have green pepper and yellow pepper and our onion. We'll parboil the rice, bring the coconut milk to a boil before we add other ingredients. Let's begin. In an empty pot, you turn in your coconut milk and you put it on the stove. Bring it to boil first. That's what I do most times. You bring it to boil before you can add your parboiled rice and other ingredients, and you put it back on the stove. So that's our coconut milk. Okay, on the stove, it's boiling at the moment, so we'll bring it down from the stove. Reasons why we don't mix other ingredients while it's on the stove is it will start burning before the water dries up. So I have to put off the stove. I'll put it down, mix the other ingredients. So here is our boiled coconut milk. I'm adding my pepper. I'll add my rice. When I stir, I notice that the quantity of the coconut milk will not be enough, so I'm going to add extra water. Adding more water. Put water enough to make the rice soft at the end of the day. Adding my meat stock. I'm using goat's meat, so I'm adding my meat stock. Please, if you've watched up to this point, please like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment. I would like to hear from you. Adding my stock cube. Add my salt. That's my seasoning. I'm putting my peas from the beginning so that it will be soft enough. Adding crayfish. Add my onion. Put it on the stove. And when it's dried, you add your carrots, yellow pepper, green pepper, and this is the outcome of our meal. We had it with goat meat in tomato sauce. Our next video will show how we made our goat meat in tomato sauce. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. Do have a good day.